To insert a SIM card or two SIM cards on the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, you need to get your SIM card ejector tool that should look just like this. Now, this should actually come inside of the box of your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. But if you cannot find yours, you can use a tiny pin as pointed as this, and then locate the SIM card tray on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, which is literally over here. You want to proceed to insert your SIM card ejector tool into this little hole on the SIM card tray, just at the end of the left hand side. Go ahead and insert it and then press it a little hard until it pops out, just like so. You're also going to get a notification, but you don't have to worry at this particular point. Now you can use your finger to just pull out the SIM card tray, just like so, and you're good to go. Now you want to go ahead and get your SIM cards, which should actually be nano SIM cards. The top is for SIM 1, so I will get my SIM 1 over here. Flip your SIM card to the back and you're going to notice this little cut or curve on the SIM card. Make sure it fits the little cut or curve on the SIM card tray as well. So go ahead and place it like so, and then you want to hold it and then turn over to the back of your SIM card tray. Go ahead and get your second SIM card, that is your second nano SIM card. Flip it to the back as well. Notice the little cut or curve on the SIM card, and then also make sure it fits the little cut or curve on the SIM card tray as well. You want to place both like so, and then you can now insert the SIM card tray with the SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, just like so. Now once you insert it, you want to now tap on the power button. Now if you open up your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, you will be prompted to set up your two SIM cards. In my case, I will just tap on the next button over here, select the SIM card you prefer. For calls, I will go with SIM 1, tap on next. Select the SIM card you prefer for messages, I will go with SIM 2, tap on next. And then finally, the SIM card you prefer for mobile data, I will go with SIM 1 as well, and then tap on done, and you're good to go. Keep in mind that you can only have two SIM cards actively working on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. It can either be two physical SIM, two eSIMs, or a physical SIM and an eSIM, but you cannot have more than two SIM cards in general on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.